Okay, Peter here. I've just fixed this roof vent. It was over on an angle like that when it came out of the box, and you know, it's funny, but it's just two screws on this throat. There's one up there. I've put some silicone around it. Probably not the best silicone job, but at least it won't leak. And this is one of the cheaper kind of vents on the market. I don't like these ones at all. They're so flimsy compared to an Edmunds Windmaster or something like that. But anyway, I've straightened it up at least, so now the bearings won't wear out. Put some silicone on that nut on the top that was loose, and silicone around the throat, and that. So now at least I'm going to put in some proper roof screws, tech screws in it to hold it in instead of these silly little screws. Oh, that's why I didn't use the screws on the vent. Is he must have run out of screws. He's used them here, but anyway, because there's one there and there's one over there. These are the ones that are supposed to go into the throat, and he only put two screws in the throat, so he must have run out. Anyway, that's me. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and if you you know, want your house insulated and you're in Brisbane, southeast Queensland, we're very happy to help.